Would you like to improve your race cycling or mountain biking performance? Then let us introduce you to the new and affordable Power Meter by IQ Square. A power meter tells you exactly when and where your legs are producing a certain amount of force. It helps you dose during your ride or workout, so you can start outperforming yourself and others. Power meters exist in all shapes and sizes at varying locations on a bike. But every power meter presents a disadvantage and they're also quite expensive. So we challenged ourselves to decrease the price while increasing functionality.
Well, since we are cyclists ourselves, we wanted to buy a power meter because the power meter was the thing to have. And we did some research on the different kinds of power meters. And the price point, the high price point, would suggest that they would be perfect, and they aren't. They have lots of restrictions and drawbacks, and we didn't buy one. But since we are product developers, we started out with the question, why are they so expensive? And is it possible to make a power meter that stands out? And well, it started off with this question, and we had lots of talks about it and drawings, and we ended up with a power meter which we think meets all those requirements.
To design the perfect power meter, we went through rigorous development. We theorized, designed and redesigned to secure the best tech and product components for each part of the power meter. So now, we are proud to introduce the first high-tech power meter everyone can afford. It runs on a standard battery and connects through Bluetooth and ANT+. The adapter is made of light and strong titanium with a nanostructure strain gauge deposited on the surface. Our advanced low-pressure molding technique produces a waterproof casing and a total product that is very light. Here's how it works on the inside. When your leg puts power on the pedal, it causes a miniature bending of the metal. A strain gauge captures this pressure as a change in electrical resistance, which is measured and simply sent to your app or bike computer. Most power meters measure the power of one leg. IQ Square can measure both, so you can see if they're performing the way you want them to. You can then adapt your training accordingly. Of course, we tested our prototype repeatedly, like here on the Direct Trainer, where we optimized our power meter to reach consistent and accurate results. We've done everything we could to create a great turnkey product, so you can instantly start using it upon delivery. Installation on your race or mountain bike is easy. You simply place the adapter in the crank arm and fasten it with a screw. It's connected to our support app, where you can enter customized bike measurements for a smooth fit. When you've successfully completed the installation steps, the app pairs with the power meter and you're good to go. It's compatible with all apps, software and bicycle computers like Garmin and Strava, so you can use your trusted devices to immediately begin training with our product and start pushing your boundaries. This is an opportunity you can't miss. It's easy to use, has great features and is now ready to be ordered.
So we are at this point that we have to go into production. We have some very good production partners who can make our products in a very highly automated production process, which is very important for the price point, of course. And we need your help. So please support us, so you can have your own power meter as well.
Radically improve your performance with IQ Square. Thank you for backing us.
Introducing DreamGlass Air, the world's first portable AR private theater. Have you thought your phone screen is too small? DreamGlass Air works with any phone to play any content on a 100-inch QHD screen privately. With a unique foldable design, it's compact enough to take on the go. Wherever you are, a stunning fantasy dream world is always within reach. Put on DreamGlass Air. You can watch a movie, catch the game, or switch seamlessly to a phone app. While you're traveling outside, it can turn any seat into first class and make time fly. Back to the office, it can boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. With DreamGlass Air, you can entertain yourself in complete privacy, totally hands-free. The user-friendly design of it will keep you feeling comfortable even during long viewing sessions. In your spare time, you can also watch your favorite TV shows and enjoy the breeze it brings to you without holding the phone. Multitasking in a futuristic way, you can even cook with the help of augmented reality. And DIY jobs will be easier with hands-free visual help. Gamers, get ready to play your favorite games in a completely new way and have a glimpse of the future by wearing the DreamGlass Air. See the world without boundaries and join us in an innovative new world where dreams come true. Back our campaign today and start your journey into the dream world.
Hi, we are Woojer.
Man!
It makes you want to move.
Oh my god!
Our products let you feel sound through haptic feedback. The responses, woo, were pretty good.
And if it didn't put a smile on your face, I would also question whether or not you're alive.
When coming to create our new generation, Woojer Edge series, we reread all of the feedback we got from over 73,000 users. One response really caught us. People spend so much time and money to get the best headphones when they can't really tell the difference. Woojer makes you experience sound on a completely different level. So we decided to put headphones versus Woojer Edge to the test.
We're gonna put two headphones on you,
All right.
and we're gonna wonder which one do you feel is better.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go with these ones.
Can't really tell the difference.
This one is better.
These ones are better?
Yeah, definitely. So far the first ones.
I don't know, they're like the same.
Oh!
Oh, okay. What's going on?
I can actually feel the bass.
Wow, that's crazy.
It totally makes a difference.
All of my body's shaking.
Completely different.
Like, it really changes the way the music sounds, the way I would listen to music. Can I keep this?
So yeah, Woojer really does make your experience pretty goddamn breathtaking.
Wow, never felt something like it.
But there was another thing people said, a lot. So we played a bit with the arrangement of the transducers, the providers of the feedback, kept the incredible sensation, and went on Kickstarter to make sure that Woojer Edge is for everybody. So how does it work? Well, sound is air movement that typically spreads as an audible wave of pressure. Headphones deliver that audible part, but you're missing out on the movement. Woojer lets you enjoy both aspects of sound. Imagine you're in a concert, standing right in front of huge speakers. That oomph you feel in your body, that's what Woojer feels like. In more technical terms, our patented oscillating frame, which we fondly call Aussie, accurately reproduces and plays frequencies up to 200 Hz, including subsonic frequencies that are below the threshold of the human ear. The frictionless motion guarantees precise harmonic reproduction and reduces distortion while remaining completely silent to the surrounding environment. In less technical terms, the dinosaur in the game is getting closer you feel every step. You're playing a game, every explosion, every encounter, and every strike feel as if you're right there. The song goes into a killer bass riff, you'll sense every string in your bones. Put on a VR headset while wearing Woojer Edge, and immersion takes another massive leap. There are two types of devices in the Woojer Edge series. The strap is for the gamer on the go or the music lover. It has one super powerful Aussie. You can wear it in different ways and to various activities. It neatly folds into your backpack and is light enough to carry everywhere. The vest is for gaming and VR at home, and for music pros and producers who enjoy 360 degrees of immersion. It's built with 6 Aussies and delivers a crisp stereo sound. Both products have a built-in analog headphone amplifier and can connect to any mobile phone, game console, or VR headset via an audio jack or low-latency Bluetooth. So, if you want to experience sound with a device that actually makes a difference, get Woojer Edge.
Introducing Gemini, the most affordable portable touchscreen monitor. As working professionals, we enjoy working on big monitors or multiple screens at home or in the office. But in nowadays' busy life, we are required to be more flexible and bring our work everywhere. Coffee shops, hotel rooms, airports, we are always on the go. So we made Gemini to achieve maximum productivity anywhere at an affordable price for everyone. Gemini is a 15.6-inch monitor with built-in battery and a patent-pending kickstand for more convenience. Unlike other monitors that drain out the battery of your computer, it can even charge your phone. Gemini is the ideal companion for businessmen and travelers, as well as creative people working with graphic applications, designers, architects, photographers, filmmakers, or for people who just want to have fun and enjoy gaming. Perfect for Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or PlayStation. Based on your preference, you can use it in horizontal or vertical mode. It works with Android smartphones. You can finally have a more convenient way to check your emails, stream videos, or play games. Gemini has a solid all-metal frame design and is light, easy to carry, and convenient to use. Just plug and play. No need to install any software. You can either extend your monitor to get a better overview or mirror your screen so you can share with colleagues or clients. It's compatible with all laptops and very versatile, as we included all the ports you need: HDMI, Type-C, USB, and Mini HDMI. Gemini is available in 2 versions, the Full HD with touchscreen feature and the Ultra HD with astonishing display details, so you can choose whatever works best for you. We developed a product that is affordable and gives you more freedom and flexibility. Please support us and get more productive with Gemini.